Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Budapest, Hungary, and I'm on the metro, or the train actually. I just got off the metro and now I'm on the train, and so I just wanted to show you how clean these trains are. They are absolutely amazing and they're wonderful, and it's really nice. Let's go take a look, shall we? So this is what it looks like. So I mean, everything looks really clean. They have little trash cans everywhere, and there's not trash, and everything looks like it's all wiped down and clean, no torn seats. So it's really pretty modern, and it has a little sign, and this is where I'm going, because it has a church and a castle there, Esztergom, and it's about I think a 45-minute ride. We're going 72 kilometers an hour, but it really is a nice place. It has little trash cans everywhere, so there's always a place to put your trash, and yeah, no, it's really nice. They have bathrooms and everything else too. Let's go look at that. And some chairs are high and some chairs are low. Let's see what this is here. So here's I think this is the bathroom here. Let's see how you do this. Okay, and so this is cool. Wow, it's really a nice bathroom. Man, very nice, very nice. And it's got a regular lock on it, which is nice too. It's not one of those electrical jobbies. And it's got spots for bicycles and handicapped, and I mean, it really is just wonderful. Man, top of the line. You go Romania, or not Romania, you go Hungary. Sorry. The last country I was in was Romania, and it was like spotless too. And so there's no trash at the train tracks or anything else too. So they really do a wonderful job of cleaning things up. Kudos and extra points to Hungary. That's it, everybody. Thanks for coming. Wonderful, wonderful. Bye.